Power BI has a whole set of DAX functions built for descriptive statistics. In this video, we'll first run through a few quick definitions, then use those DAX functions to build a visual that shows them all in action. Mean is just your average. Add up every value, divide by how many they are, is the center point your data balances around. Variance measures spread. Take each point's distance from the mean, square it, then average those. Squaring punishes big outliers and keeps everything positive. Standard deviation is just the square root of variance. It brings the spread back into your original units, like steps or dollars or sales figures. For data that's roughly bell-shaped, as shown on the screen, about 68% of it sits within one standard deviation of the mean. Z-score turns any point into a single number. How many standard deviations it sits from the mean. Near zero is typical. Past 2 or 3, that point is genuinely unusual. Here are the measures, and here's the DAX behind it. Mean is just AVERAGEX over the table, wrapped in calculate with all selected, so it ignores visual level filters and always reflects whatever the slicer says. And a standard deviation uses STDEVX.P, the population version, since we are treating every row as a full dataset, not a sample. The band lines are dead simple. +1 and -1 STDEV are just the mean, plus or minus that standard deviation measure, one measure referencing another. And Z-score comes down to a single divide, value minus mean over standard deviation. And we are wrapping all 5 the same way, and they recalculate together the instant you touch a filter. We have a slicer up top. Here is the visual. It's a line and clustered column chart, and these are the various values which have been passed. And here are the 4 measures working together. And we have on the x-axis the days. And as soon as I make any selections on the slicer up top, we have a mean and the ±1 standard deviation bands drawn in. And anything poking outside the band is a z-score. It's as a tooltip here. And whenever I'm making changes on the filter up top, the slicer, every one of those numbers recalculate instantly. Hope this video is helpful, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.